to the beat and hit the kicks down. Ayy, shake it to the rhythm, let the bitch count. Ayy, drop it like it's hot and get the speakers low enough, rapping, creating the call in the temple of mother, showing